Just creep. Alright, that's good. You're gonna have to, you would have to back up a little bit and go over more driver. I told you our Jeeps ain't got shit for these hills. Alright, hold up. Go. You're fine. Just keep your wheel just like that. Just like that. Go slow. No, keep back driver. The other way, other way, other way. Other way. Other way with your wheel. Other way. There you go. Keep going, keep going. There you go. Now, there you go. Now you're good. Now back up hard, Sarah. These hills don't, when you look at your videos, you can be like, yeah, these hills don't look like nothing. What do you think, Sarah?